For hundreds of years, Indigenous people of Saskatchewan have been making pemmican. This is a mixture of dried meat and dried berries, and it would sustain a family for a whole winter before there was electricity or refrigeration. In today's fast-paced society, we rely on processed food and sugary snacks, but what our bodies really need is whole, natural foods. And as a teacher, I see that every day when my students bring sugary snacks or unhealthy lunches. And this has fueled my desire to make a healthy snack product. My name is Susan Schaaf, and I live in Deer Valley, Saskatchewan, and am the co-founder of Susan's Saskatoons. And we are in the business of improving people's health through snacking. My husband and co-founder is Plains Cree, and he has told stories of making pemmican with his grandparents. Taking this generational wisdom, we have made our own version of pemmican. We have taken out the meat and we have used modern technology to process it. Our main ingredient is the Saskatoon berry. This is a superfruit loaded with antioxidants and high in dietary fiber and minerals. From the busy mom who wants her cupboard stocked with wholesome snacks for her children, to the working professional who needs an energy boost to get through a 12-hour shift, to the empty nester with chronic conditions, we have packaged a medicinal fruit into an easy-to-eat, easy-to-store form, the way it has been done for hundreds of years on the prairies.